Hello friends, today we are going to see the recent development on Future Group deal with Reliance Retail. Friends, as per the board meeting happened on Friday, but they postponed that to September 7th. Due to this, the deal and the fundraising of board approval will be postponed to September 7th. Friends, what the analysis what we are doing is Reliance Retail will take the stack on Future Group must happen. Why? Because 3 months back Reliance Retail terminated their lease agreement with Nexus Malls. I already done a video in this, but I am telling that Reliance Retail have so many businesses like toys, groceries, and geomarts, everything. They want their storage of goods and the main centers and these warehouses. These are very important for e-commerce and which we are doing businesses. Main centers are very important for Future Group having their outlets and their shopping malls in very main center areas. To expand their business, Reliance Retail's looking more number of outlets like 18 to 1900. If this deal happens, Reliance Retail will get 1800 to 1900 outlets in major cities, and I am hoping this deal will happen. And why also I am telling, because Reliance Retail closed their agreement with Nexus Malls because of Reliance Retail requested Nexus Malls owned by Blackstone to waive off the mall's rent on COVID time. But the Nexus Malls replied was the clause was not applicable according to the lease agreements. They said no. Due to this, some request done by Reliance Retail, but they rejected. For that, Reliance Retail terminated the lease agreement. Due to this, if they want after COVID, they want to expand their business or they want to do business also, they need some outlets in major cities or 2 tier 3 tier towns. Reliance have Reliance Fresh, but it's not applicable or for future growth business. Due to this, to expand their business, it need some more number of outlets. Due to that, they must acquire some stack in Future Retail, and most of the people saying that that should be 29,000 crores or 30,000 crores, 50,000 crores like that. But up to September 7th, we have to wait to know what the deal value must be. Friends, this is my analysis on future market and Future Group shares, future market, future enterprise, and future retail, future supply chain. These are the three major shares on Future Group, and Reliance Industries want to take stack on Future Group. Thank you friends. Thank you very much. For more updates on stocks, please subscribe my channel, share my channel.